Hello guys, welcome back to my channel YouTube Speaking News. Today I have good news for share to everyone. Ford F-150 Raptor gets 525 HP upgrade package from Shelby. If you're looking for a Ford F-150 Raptor with sharper claws, Shelby American introduces an upgrade package for the 2021 and 22 model year performance pickup. The trucks are available now. Where the latest F-150 Raptor from the factory makes 450 horsepower, 336 kilowatts, Shelby tunes the engine to reach 525 horsepower, 392 kilowatts. The tweaks include a larger air intake with a high-flow filter and an aluminum intercooler. There's also a one-piece heat shield. As options, customers can add a Shelby performance exhaust and suspension lift with BDS components. 2022 Shelby American Ford F-150 Raptor. Shelby also adds quite a bit of material to the outside of the Raptor to make it look more rugged. An exposed metal front bumper has a black finish and holds an LED light bar. The new hood has intake and extraction vents, and stripes run from there to the roof. The grille receives Shelby branding with orange light strips on each side. The power side steps double as rock sliders and have lights on them. Farther back, Shelby installs a black chase rack to the bed with an LED light bar spanning it. The truck comes with 6 18-inch wheels with 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires. 2 of them are spares in the cargo area. The rear bumper is a black, metal unit black, the one in front, and boasts both LED light strips and lamps. Inside, Shelby puts its logo on the seat backs and floor mats. There is also carbon fiber trim, billet aluminum pedals, and tinted windows. Someone who already owns a 21 or 22 Raptor can get the Shelby conversion for $54,995. Or, the company can do the work on a brand new truck with prices starting at $127,895, depending on the options you order on the pickup from Ford. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for receiving the news that you see first. Goodbye, see you at the next video.